guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video because you didn't have to, but while you're here, please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. You know, all the good stuff. So, as you can see, as you can see from the title of the video, I did the butterfly lots or distress lots, the short ones, because I do have a video on me doing the long ones, but I went ahead and did the butterfly short because they stopped about right here. But for this hairstyle, I did use the Harlem 125 Kima braids. I think that's Kima braids or Kima braids. Kima, whatever it is, it's this page right here. And it's the water wave because I went to 3 different beauty supply stores here in Greensboro and could not find the Freatress hair. It's like everybody just went to the damn beauty supply store and just took all the Freatress hair down. They had other Freatress hair, like the loose curls and stuff like that, but I needed water wave because that's the hair I work with and that's the hair that's best for this kind of style. So I had to get that hair because it did tangle a lot more than the Freatress hair. But the outcome is great. I love the outcome. I love my hair. I love the style. I love the way this came out. Other than that, the hairstyle was a flow. I sat and watched TV. I'm able to do that because you're not making it neat. So when the video do start, I do not show how I do the back of my head because I feel like that just is pointless because I can't really record and twist the way I want to, so I just decided to I got it in the front, but you still get to see exactly how I do this hairstyle. And yeah, you can do different stuff. I was gonna put it up. Oh, I may still put it up. I think they look pretty. I may still put it up because they look cute. Oh, let me tell you guys everything that I did use in this video. I used this hair, like I already showed you guys. I used this, and this is the 18-inch. And of course, I used my crochet needle, my 24-hour edge tamer, edge control, or whatever you want to call it, and my comb. And instead of braiding my hair individually, all I did was twist it because that's easier for me to take down when it's time to take down my hair. I don't have to sit and take down braids underneath here. All I have to do is untwist and be done. So that's it for this intro. It was a long intro, but if you guys want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because obviously you like my channel if you keep coming back. So yeah, let's get to the video. Hi you all, welcome. As you can see, I did small twists all over and I already did the back of my head, so let's just start in the front. I took one small piece of hair to start off with and gently spread it apart so I get that fluff look. Once I do that, I'm going to add a small piece to the hair I already have because I want my twist a little bit bigger so my hair can look fuller. Once I pull the hair through the twist with the crochet needle, I'm not going to pull it all the way through. I'm going to leave it folded and just measure it out so it can be the same length of the other twist. I'm going to wrap around my base twice, only twice because I don't want my twist to be too tight. And once I wrap around twice, I'm going to gradually start wrapping down Make sure you don't wrap it tightly or neat because we're going for the butterfly look. Once you run out of hair that you're wrapping with, just get another piece of hair and start from the back and continue to wrap where you left off at. I already had hair pre-cut, which made it a lot easier for me to just grab some hair. So maybe that's what you should do. Keep wrapping all the way down until you can't go any farther. And if you still have hair left, just start wrapping upwards and wrap until you can't wrap anymore. Once you get the flow of things, you're going to be able to wrap faster in the way that you want to. And FYI, the faster you wrap and looser you wrap, you're going to get the butterfly look, as you can see in the clip above. Now that we're done with our locks, we're gonna lay these edges down, and it's gonna make this hairstyle pop. I promise you.